the top affiliates are advertising. All right, does that make sense? Did you guys see how we kind of just like learned exactly how the top people are advertising using SimilarWeb? That's pretty cool, right? All right, awesome. And then there's free traffic, okay? Free traffic. So free traffic could be forums. So you can go on Google and you can find a forum that is all around a niche and you can engage and all that stuff, right? We talked a little bit about free traffic, but that's not how people are advertising. They're usually advertising with these top ways, right? Paid advertising. But here's the thing, okay? With this model, with version 1 model, all of the stuff I just talked about is probably going to be a waste of your time, okay? Because those traffic sources are great. They work and they're generating people a lot of money, but they're not generating people a lot of money with that model, with the version 1 model. You need a profitable funnel, a proper funnel to be profitable. And so if you're driving Facebook ads or something like that, if you're paying for traffic to this version 1 ad, then you're probably not going to be profitable. You're probably not going to get more money than you put in. You're probably not going to be able to do that. So it's also a weak model, even if you somehow became profitable. Okay, so I don't recommend this model, even if you think, you know what, I'm going to make this model profitable, or I'm going to drive free ads. You know, I don't think you should do this model, and that's because of my own personal experience. So my first success was actually my biggest failure. Okay, my first success was actually my biggest failure, and the way I first started making money online was using YouTube. Do you guys want me to tell you this little story of how I was making money online and how it all came crumbling down? Because you can actually still use this method right now if you want. I'm going to show you a method right now. It's free. All right, everyone said yes except for Bill. So Bill, I'm sorry, because literally I have like 100 yeses here and then 1 no. So, okay, and they're still flying in. So on YouTube, I think I pulled up YouTube. Okay, cool. Here's YouTube. So what I was doing, and you can still do this, okay? Just the way you do it, the actual model you send it to after, I would change, okay? That's all I'm saying. But on YouTube, there are people who are looking for reviews, okay? Reviews. So on the ClickBank Marketplace, there are tons of people who are looking for reviews for these products, okay? So these products are being advertised by affiliates through all the ways we just talked about, right? Maybe Facebook ads, maybe free traffic, maybe influencer traffic, maybe paid media. And people are seeing this a lot, right? Look at Ted's Woodworking. So Ted's Woodworking is being seen, let's see their traffic estimates. Okay, 500,000 times a month, 500,000 visits a month. You can be sure that probably a good amount of those people are going on YouTube and trying to find reviews for Ted's Woodworking. So what I was doing was I was making review videos for these products. So if I type in Ted's Woodworking, by the way, this is a little bit of a trick here. If you just start typing something in on YouTube and Google and a lot of the search engines, Google will or YouTube will try to like fill your answer. Okay, they're going to give you what they think you're trying to type in, and they're doing that because they have the data that says that this is the next thing most people are typing in. The next most popular after that is review. The next most popular is plans. The next is plans review. So this is a great way to learn about keywords, but you can see a lot of people are typing in information about Ted's Woodworking and the word review. So what I would do is I would make a video based on ClickBank products, and I haven't done this in a long time, and I would make a review video talking about the product. And if I didn't buy it, then I wouldn't call it a review video, but I would call it like I would just be talking about the product. So I can learn a little bit about the